Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This is I want to do a really quick this quick TA on BTC. It's not really a TA. It's more really just what happened. Um, this is exactly what we wanted. We wanted BTC to actually break this trend on the low side, break it on the 4 hour at least, and then create a full candle to the upside. Now, because we actually broke trend, we actually need to break 48.7. If this actually breaks to the upside and we break above here, I think we're going to 53,000 BTC, and I think that's basically going to be a pretty solid indication that we're running up, especially because we're so low on the stochastic, and we actually closed a bullish trigger back right here, back on December 18th, right? So 2 days ago, or 2 or 3 days ago. But this is exactly what we wanted to see from Bitcoin. Again, if you guys noticed the last time that I actually created the TA, I think it was yesterday. I told you guys, I'm like, there's nothing else holding us back from coming back all the way down to 40K. If we break this last mini trend, we're going down to 40K. And that's exactly what I told you guys. We did not actually break this low trend. Did not break it, right? You wick down here, you wick twice, kind of see. I wouldn't really call it a double bottom because that's not. I don't really consider double bottoms on the 4 hour. It would have to be, it would have to be better It would have to be a double bottom on a higher time frame like the daily, right? It doesn't really seem like we have a double bottom. It's mostly just it's a higher high, right? Kind of higher high. Wait, daily. There we go. You're really just kind of trailing sideways, right? There's no double bottom. It's only on the 4 hour. So all you really need to do now is you need to start creating a 4 hour candle above this 48.7. So you need to start closing above this. And if you do, I think there's a 90 I think that we're going 53K. To be completely honest, I'm pretty happy because this is exactly what we needed to happen. Now, Bitcoin basically has all this area to run, right? You already closed above trend. Hopefully we start closing above 48,793, right? This major resistance level. And then after that happens, we can run straight to 53K. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.